The atmosphere at these classes is just phenomenal. I mean, you get a lot of people that love baking all in the same room doing exactly that for the entirety of the day. I mean, it's my idea of heaven. They offer a very good canvas for you to experiment with flavors. It with these ones is not to be fooled by the color of the top, but check the color of the bottom.
I've never made Italian biscuits before, so 4 different types made today in the space of a couple of hours. So fantastic.
Learning today, and Giuseppe's been really helpful and came round, and when things were not turning quickly enough, he's managed to sort it out for us.
I think the thing that he's so good at is knowing when something looks right, which is, if you haven't done it before, you don't know what it's supposed to look like, but to get the heads up from him that you're either doing it right or wrong it's been really good.
Whereas in this environment, I can be a cake nerd as long as I like, and everybody is exactly in their perfect environment.